actually tried these, but it was in my fridge, so let's like experiment. I don't know about this. Maybe it'll grow on me. What's up, you guys? It's Melanie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Melanie Galindo. I upload on YouTube sometimes. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. So today on Instagram, I actually went ahead and did a video suggestion, and I appreciate everyone that did go ahead and respond. I'll get to them slowly but surely. There's quite a few. But today I actually got requested a couple of times, and I do go ahead and get requested and comments on this all the time in person, and that's how I achieve my long, beachy, wavy hair kind of hairstyle. And then also just simply like how I keep my hair so long, so healthy. So today I'm going to be sharing some of my personal tips and tricks, and products that I use every single day, or when I do go ahead and do hair. Typically, I normally leave it natural, but I would say it's like half of the week natural, half of the week kind of done. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely comment down below what are some products that you like using. I love trying new products, so comment your favorite product. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and dive into everything just based on the order that I use it. And then obviously it all starts with the prep of, your health. So I'm going to go ahead and share the vitamins that I use. I cannot stress enough how important it is to take biotin. Biotin takes care of your hair, your skin, your nails, just anything, just like about making it look pretty basically. But these are two kinds. This I got like on Walmart for like $5. This is my sister's. I'm pretty sure she got this at Target. But these are just regular biotin. I also use B12 that I really like. But that's just more like the inside of your body, I guess you can say. And then I also do a lot of the women multivitamin gummies. Can't even speak today. So I do these as well. So those are like my daily intake of vitamins, and obviously C and plus the other B12. So that's initially just takes care of like keeping your hair long, luscious, even your nails. Like my nails grow so much faster than a lot of my friends. And I blame the biotin. Biotin's so good for you. I cannot stress that enough. That's what keeps my hair thick. And I have noticed that when I do stop taking my biotin, my baby hairs in the front of my face kind of just become a lot thinner, and then my hair have a lot of fallout, which is natural as well. But yeah, I would say vitamins, step number one. Okay, now, so we're gonna go ahead and dive in with the shampoo and conditioner that I use. So I've literally have tried every single shampoo and conditioner that's out there. I do suffer from like not curly nor straight hair. It's just like in between, just crazy. Can't make up its mind, but I'm indecisive as well, so it kind of makes sense. And it's really frizzy. So I've been on the hunt for years and years and years, and I always come back to this shampoo. So this is the keratin protein. It's a smoothing shampoo, and I also use the conditioner. It just leaves my hair very healthy, very smooth, the least amount of frizz I've ever had in my hair. Okay, and then as for leave-in conditioner, I don't have any right now, actually ran out, but it literally looks like this. It's just like in a little packet, dry conditioner or leave-in conditioner, and it's the Palmer's olive oil formula, and that's the best leave-in conditioner I have ever had in my entire life. And don't get me wrong, I've tried out very expensive, I guess you can say high-end deep conditioners, but that one's definitely my go-to, and it's so cheap. It's about $1.25 a packet. So usually when I go, I literally just buy the whole box because they don't sell it in a tube. I should probably look at Amazon. But literally just looks like this, just obviously in little packets. But that's what I go ahead and use to prep my hair. Obviously, I shower. So shampoo and then those vitamins, I cannot stress enough. Okay, now for the actual prep of my hair, as you can see, it's very long. I actually just cut it September 1st. Cut it into layers. I haven't had layers in forever, but it's very long. This is kind of second day hair, and my second day hair is always the best kind of hair, just because my first day hair is a little bit more dry, so my second day hair is definitely the best. So I just like to brush it out Obviously it's a little crazy. And I apologize if I'm looking too much. My mirror's right behind you guys. And then for an actual heat protectant, I use this BTZ, Beyond the Zone, Turn Up the Heat. It smells really good. One thing about it is very oily, so I just apply like 2, maybe 3 sprays on the tip of my hair, and then just kind of massage it in. But I never do it on the root of my hair because my hair gets super oily. So just do about 3, and then just massage it in your hair. You can go ahead and comb it through. Before I go ahead and actually dive into curling my hair, I like to make sure that my hair is in the part that I would want it to be. And then I also like to make sure that my hair has a little bit of dry shampoo for volume. And this is just the Tresemme dry shampoo. They have other ones. I know there's one with like a lime yellow highlighter looking color. But this one smells really good. I also really like the Dove ones. But when I went to the store, they were out of it. But this one smells so good. And I just like to put that on the top of my head. And just kind of, same thing, massage it in. So this is just gonna just give you the volume that you want. Now, I like to go ahead and separate my hair into 2 pieces. So work one way first and then the other. How crazy do I look? Don't I look so crazy right now? I should try this look more often. I think the boys would like it. I'm gonna go ahead and start separating my hair from the bottom to the top. And the cool thing about this, what I would say about curling my hair with a wand, I can literally like do it like 5 minutes this side, 5 minutes that side. It will take me like 10 minutes to like have a look that looks like I tried, but I really didn't. And I'm kind of messy with it as well. Like I don't like being too precise because I like my curls to just be like natural. That's the whole point of a natural beachy look. I leave, that's not good. This is a little bit too much hair. So I leave about a tiny bit out like this, and that's the trick to like make it look curly and then straight at the bottom. Just gonna go ahead and finish this up. Okay, so this is kind of what they look like. Obviously when there's more, it's a lot more voluminous, but this is semi what it should look like. Not too curly, just kind of beachy, natural, like you didn't try, but you tried. You know what I'm saying? Now for this part, you have to be very careful. So I like to just take one little piece, kind of like where my baby hairs are, and then just wrapping all of it together. And then same thing with leaving a little bit on the side at the ends. So when it falls, it's not completely curly towards the end, just towards the middle. And I like to point this one directly down, just so it doesn't fall too back. And the ones in the front of my hair, I also go ahead and last a little bit longer than the other ones, just because I like the top of my head to have a little bit more of like that texture and volume. And I like to hold these a little bit up towards my head. It burns a little bit, but it's fine, it's worth it. And then I let it go. There she is. Okay, now for the last piece. This last piece is the most important piece. Okay, it's the holy grail. So this one, I like to smooth it out, make sure everything is smoothed out and the closest to your root. And then grab the wand and curl it away from my face. And this one, I hold it there until I hope my hair doesn't fall off. I'm joking, but this one I last the longest. And the reason is I want it to hold the best. because even if like the bottom of your hair is kind of like losing texture and curl, as long as the top, the front of your face is good, you'll always be good. Okay, so this side is it's done. I like to just shake them out, kind of like guide them where they should go. But this is the side, Then I'll show you guys this side. And I'm just gonna go ahead and move forward with this side. So yeah guys, definitely comment down below any video suggestions. And I'll try to get back to them. I got some really good ones today that I definitely need to plan out, because some of them are like San Diego vlogs, LA vlogs, Santa Monica Pier vlogs, which I can do. That's totally doable. But I definitely need to plan for them. And another one I saw I really liked was a mukbang, but I think I'm gonna wait till McKenna gets here, or I go back up north and we can do a mukbang. I love watching those. They're so fun. Just like, I know her and I would just do sushi. Like, we'd just order like a whole bunch of sushi. That's like all we eat, sushi. So we'll do like one of those. But definitely comment any other suggestions. I love suggestions. It's just, I don't know, I just get blank when I think of video ideas, and you guys are the best. Someone's knocking at the door. Maybe if I pretend I didn't hear them go away. Okay. Back at it again. I think it's growing on me. Hopefully I don't become like one of those people that just orders this in public. Because wow, this is why I don't have a boyfriend. Okay, so we have just one little piece of hair left, but it is the most important piece of hair. Let's pretend that didn't happen. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this straight as close as you can to your scalp, and then leave a little piece like that. Hold it for as long as you can. Then you let it go. And now we're just gonna go ahead and work on just touching some of the pieces up. So what I like to do is just bring all my hair to the front. Okay, you see these pieces here? They need a little work. So the oil that I like to use is this one. It helps a lot with my frizziness. It's the olive oil formula Palmer's conditioning spray oil. It's for first pone hair, moisture rich formula for strong shiny hair. So that's what we're gonna achieve right now. Strong shiny hair. This is not an ad. So I like to do 2 sprays, that's it, and I only do the bottom of my hair, like the tips. So I just do tips, and then inside here, my scalp, and then inside the scalp here, and then kind of like wipe this off. And you just have to like fold the curls in the direction you want them to go, usually outwards. And then for hairspray, the hairspray that I use, the smell is freaking bomb. Amika Headstrong Hairspray, the Sea Buckhorn Berry. What a name. But it smells good, so I'm not complaining. So I just do this, the bottom of my hair. Here we are, this is the final look. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, definitely like, comment, subscribe, the whole shebang. Definitely leave down any comments on video requests. If you want to see a skin hair routine or this look, whatever you guys want to see, just comment down below. Give this look a thumbs up, because I think it's a thumbs up. Do you think it's a thumbs up? I think it's a thumbs up. But it was nice, you know, showing you guys how I achieved this hair. But definitely take your biotin pills. Definitely helps. But I'll see you guys in the next video. So today I'm gonna be show you guys. I can't get this open. Like it's open, but it's not open. It's like my feelings, you know? It's like they're open, but they're not. I feel like I'm just gonna stab myself and like die. Okay, this is actually pretty good. Kind of get the hype now. Well, Crocs, I think this is my sponsorship video.